I get emails quite often from people who have set up a Redbubble shop. They don't make any sales. And it turns out people can't even see their store. In fact, they're not set up properly. So in this video, I've got 5 essential things that you must do to set up your Redbubble shop successfully and make some sales. Let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is upload at least 10 designs. Now, Redbubble wants you to upload at least 5, but I'm saying 10. And I'll explain why here in just a minute. When you go onto your main page, you're going to click over here on the right-hand side under Account, and you're going to go to Dashboard. You can see here I've got a bunch of things completed, and the first one is Add Designs. I have 8 designs uploaded. So if this is not 5, you'll see 3 of 5 or 2 of 5 or even 0 of 5. You must have 5 designs uploaded in order to move forward. I've got 8. I recommend at least 10. In fact, I recommend at least 100 designs. Why do I say this? If you upload 8 or 10 or 12 designs, you're going to get a feel for if you actually enjoy this type of work. I don't want you spending a year of your life working on something that's not fun. So make sure that you upload designs that you enjoy making and that you're good at making. And if you're not good at making them, get good at making them. Watch my videos, watch other people's videos, test things out. You can get better over time. Number 2. Pick 1 or 2 niches to start in. Don't make it too complicated. Here's a great example. I just found this store at random. This is Cute World. They have 26 designs. Now, they did join quite a while ago, so they're not really a new store, but imagine this is a new store. You've got 26 designs. Look at the designs that they've got uploaded. They're similar. They're funny animals, cute animals. They even look similar in design and color. Overall, you get a feel for what this store looks like. It's not all over the map. Down below, we can see there's 45 favorites off of 26 designs. That's not too bad. Again, this store has been around for a long time, but you get the idea. You don't want to go too crazy with totally different types of designs in a new store, because a customer is going to look at this store and go, well, what's the point in favoriting a design or favoriting the shop, because I don't really know what this store is. In this case, I do know what this store is. They've done a great job. This is the funny or cute animal store. I can follow them on Redbubble right there. Number 3, fill out your store information. Here's a great example. Now, this person has a lot of designs up, so don't be too intimidated. They have over 3,500 designs, but you need to get this done even when you're a brand new store. What I mean when I say fill out your store information is make sure that you've got a great looking banner like this. Make sure you've got a great looking logo. Down at the bottom, make sure you've got your artist's social links set up. Make sure you've got a little bit of a description here in the About section. And you can check all this stuff when you go up here to your account and you click on Dashboard. You can see here under Setup Shop, I needed to add a profile picture, a cover image, my social links, and a bio. That's the little About Me section. Thing number 4. Check your dashboard. You can get to it by clicking on your little icon at the top right and then going into Dashboard. That'll get you to this page. Make sure that these things at the top are all filled out. You'll see right now, mine is not filled out. I've got confirm your mobile phone number is not filled out. So if you've got one of these things that doesn't have a little line through it, that means you have to get this done in order to get your shop visible on Redbubble. Number 5 is look up your own store. I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. Let's say this is your shop. This is K Letter Co. I'm going to copy the name of my store here. I'm going to pretend this is my store. I've clicked on the Redbubble logo, so that brings me back to the main page. I'm going to click on the search. I've now typed this in and you'll see it pops up. When I click on it, it takes me to this page. That means that my store is searchable inside of Redbubble. You'll notice that my store name is Zen Watercooler. However, up at the top, my store name is Zen-Watercooler. So I want to search for both and see if either one comes up. When I search for Zen Watercooler, you'll see nothing matches my search for Zen Watercooler. When I search for Zen-Watercooler, so here we found a person that matched Zen-Watercooler, but not any works. None of my works are visible on Redbubble. So that's a problem, right? Now you can view my shop, but the works are not visible. Why are my works not visible? Because when I go to my dashboard by clicking on the main icon, going up here to the top and clicking on Dashboard, I have to get my mobile phone number in there in order to make this work. I hope you found this video helpful. You can make sales on Redbubble. You just need to get your shop activated, and then you need to have people searching for designs that actually sell. And I've got a video to help you with that right here. Thanks a lot for watching.